Okay. Hi everyone, it's me and Bestie here once again with another video. Okay, what we're doing now is we're making mud slime.
Gonna be a fail.
Well, probably. People have been telling me, you're like, oh, you should make mud slime. Okay, so what I'm doing right now.
Oh, and go subscribe to her at Brianna Chavez.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so what we did, so we got mud, okay, we got sand and we put water inside. We put a little bit of this hand sanitizer.
And it doesn't have to be a specific sand.
I put hand sanitizer and you want to put a little bit of Dawn soap.
We recommend Dawn. Others probably won't work.
Yeah, I used others and it didn't work at all.
Have you really made this?
Yeah, well, I recommend Dawn. I like that. So, it's all chocolate candle. Okay,
Don't bring that near me.
Only put like a little bit of time and stir and a little bit of So now
You meanie! This is my video.
okay, look. Show them. Okay. So it's looking really gross and just wet and you guys are like, it's gonna be a fail, blah blah blah. It's not gonna be a fail.
I mean, it's not. It's not.
It's gonna get better as we go.
That looks like little poops in there.
I know it.
Ew!
So now you put all of your teeth. I'm gonna go get more soap.
Okay, guys, this is gonna be a really good video. Fail. Really good video, guys. How do I get here? Stuck with my best friend, just making slime. Oh, and this is a hand sanitizer. Sparkling.
What are you doing? Did you put hand sanitizer in there?
No? Okay. Okay, now pour more Dawn.
Just a little bit at a time, like so.
And have someone mix. And get more dirt after this if it's too liquidy.
Yeah. Don't worry, we're gonna put more other ingredients.
Yeah. It's not like a one ingredient thing.
Okay. That looks nasty.
We need
So
more
it's
dirt.
gonna be liquidy now.
Yeah, all liquidy. Like literally. Like it is dripping. This is disgusting. Don't try this at home. She's just being crazy.
Nasty dirt. Just a little bit.
It is actually like making slime.
Can you guys see? Okay, they can't see. It's okay if we do it over Okay. There we go. No. Sorry. No, just
More hand sanitizer.
you just want to mix. No more hand sanitizer. It's gonna be very rough. You're gonna be like, oh, well, this is rough, and I didn't expect it to be like this. Don't worry, we're gonna put other ingredients.
Nerd.
You're a nerd.
Nerd. How am I a nerd? I'm not the one who's wearing glasses and making weird things.
Now, you guys probably haven't heard of mud slime because I'm
She's outside.
right back and get the... Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
You're gonna need a little bit of bubbles.
I have to go. Guys, we'll continue this video tomorrow.